Happy New Year to everybody out there. And, well, basically, it is January 2nd. So, anyways, I got something special to share with you guys. So, since this is my first video of 2024, this could not have gone any better than I actually got a late Christmas gift from my family. This one was unexpected. I didn't even I thought about having this once before, but I didn't think I was gonna get it though. But look what I got. I legit got the Polar Express set. Look at that. And I got like the older set because as you can see, there's the Marinette coach car, the regular coach car, and the observation car, and then the tender and the steam engine. Man, because I've always thought about having this set for a while though, but I didn't like officially put it on my bucket list or whatever though, but somehow I got it as a late Christmas gift from my family, which was unexpected, and I'm very thankful for that. And I'm actually glad I got the older set, which is this one here, the one that comes with the Marinette car, because the one right now, the one that's currently on sale right now, I mean the only thing different about it is that the newer one comes with the Disappearing Hobo car, and then these two cars as well, and the whole entire engine, tender, and all that. Same thing, but the only thing that's different is that this Marinette car gets replaced by the Hobo car with a newer set, and I'll show you that right now. So so this is the newer set right here. You guys are probably familiar with it. That this is the newer set. There's the coach car, the Disappearing Hobo car, and the observation car. So yeah, that's the newer set. As you can see, that's the newer set. Because if I got the newer set, guys, then I would have gotten like the 5 add-on cars for the set and all that, which would make it a total of 8 cars, and that would be the Santa Mail car, the baggage car, combination car, diner car, hot chocolate car. So yeah, it would be those. And now this one, which is, oops, there we go. Yeah, so this one's the 2019 catalog that I have, and this one's the 2021, as you can see. Yeah, so since I have the 2019, so yeah, like it's this one right here. Now don't pay attention to this one. So yeah, do not pay attention to this one. Yeah, so it's this one that I have, which is right there. So that one right there is this one right here that I have, because as you can see, it's the Marinette coach car, the coach car, and the observation car, and the whole set. So yeah, so since I got that, since I have the older set, I'm kind of glad I do, because with this one, since it's got the Marinette car now, the Marinette car, it's rare to find it. Like the Marinette car that way, it's hard to find it that way as an add-on car. It's very rare. So with that said, so since I have the 2019 set, I can actually get 6 add-on cars with it, which would make it a total of 9 cars. So we got the combination car, the Santa Mail car, Disappearing Hobo car, hot chocolate car, the baggage car, and the diner car. So yeah, so it's these 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'd be those 6 I would have as add-on cars. But with that said, guys, not only do I have that set, so basically, yeah, so I would get, if I was to get the 6 add-on cars, then I would have a total of 9 cars on the train. But however, I think I might have something else to show you guys too, what else I got as well, along with it. Well, I got the combination car and I got the disappearing hobo car. Look at that. So yeah, so basically I can say that I have, so since the set comes with 3 cars and I got 2 of the add-on cars, so basically what I can say is I got, well, the full set and then 2 add-on cars and 4 more add-on cars to get, which together would make the total amount of like a total of 5 cars with the train. So yeah, so I'm gonna unbox this and all that, and then we're gonna get her going once we're back on the air. Alrighty guys, the train is on the track. The train set and the 2 add-on cars are on the track. Yeah, there's the 2 add-on cars, the combination car, and the disappearing hobo car, and then the 3 passengers for the Polar Express set. The Marinette car, the coach car, whatever you want to call it, regular coach car, and the observation car. And also too, the set came with some other stuff though. It came with I forget what this is. It's something to do that it goes in the funnel of the steam engine, and it makes smoke come out of it. And yeah, then there's some there's a bell and some action figures in here. Oops. There's that. And yeah, and then there's more, and then there's train track in there that came with it as well. Alright, let's get this going. You know what? I should set up with the camera angle. First, I'm going to test out the horn, the bell, and the sounds.
All aboard! This is the Polar Express.
Now, I think if there's something that you...
All aboard! This is the Polar Express.
Now, I think if you wait 15 seconds, I think that there's a third sound, I think. Let's see. 1, 2, 3... 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Well, you coming?
Oh shit, it does.
Well, you coming?
Let's test the horn. The bell. And I think there's 3 sounds too for going reverse and forward as well. And the third sound, you gotta wait 15 seconds as well, so here we go. Oh shoot, look at that steam. Oh, here we go. Oops. There we go. Oh yeah, I can smell that. That's it. yeah, now let's see. Now there is 3 sounds, I believe, for moving forward and reverse. So let's hear them.
I am the king of the North Pole. I am the king of the North Pole. I am the king of the North Pole.
Wait a second. Why is that? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe that was the 3rd sound, because I waited after 15 seconds while it was moving. So that is the 3rd sound. Let me try it again. There we go.
Hit that, please. The first guest of Christmas. Hit that, please.
Alrighty guys, well that's gonna be it for today's vlog and all that. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.